Hey guys, welcome you all. Hope you are doing well. My name is Pawan Kanaja and you are watching my YouTube channel Dreamers. Friends, today we are taking a unique platform. One question related with competitive exam. Its name is Hack with Infi. It conducted by Infosys. In my another video, I will explain that how you can be recruited with Hack with Infi. Uh, but now in this video, I'm going to solve one question related with HackWageInfy. So let's go. So here is the question. I will give you link in the description below of this image to reach at this image. But first of all, I zoom it and let's see that what the question tells. Sam is given rectangle paper dimension h and w. The initial height and width of the rectangle is h and w. Sam wanted to fold the paper so the dimension of that paper should be h1 and w1 in a minimum number of moves. Means you have to print the output of minimum number of moves. That how many moves I have to do in a paper so that I get the dimension according to my h1 and w1. So I'm taking one example over here of h equal to 8 and w equal to 4. So let's see the example that here you can see I have divided h into 8 unit and width into 4 unit, and then my output should be this one. I'm just telling that this how the paper would be. Here it is 6 and here it is 8. So I want to explain you first. Wait 1 second. Yeah, over here. Let's suppose a is equal to 8. Now you have to print a dash. I'm taking a dash over here. A dash will be equal to 6. How I can print? I will fold this for 1. You can see this unit. I don't consider this because this for 8 unit is in this under and this is 4 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm taking that. Okay. You can see over here that you have to create this in 8 into this 6. Okay. 3, 3, 6. Yeah. I have to delete this. Yeah. 3 and 3 6, and this is 1 unit. So what I will do, I will just dispatch this one. Just fold these two papers. Yeah, this one and 2, and then when I will fold, this 2 will be invisible and it comes overlap on this 2 block. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, only this will be remaining. I'll show you. 1, not this one. 2 3 4 5 and 6. This 6 block will remain and this 2 block will be overlapped on the goes. It's upon you. Okay, this will be your first move because this will be overlapped in first move only. Okay, now you have gotten h equal to h dash h1. Okay, you have gotten in one move only. So just calculate 1 and you have to do about the width, that is 4, and you have to come with 1. So let's see, here it is a 4 1. You can see over here. Yeah, 1 2 3 4, 4 unit are there. So I'm telling that okay, 1, I'm taking the another 1 and 2. 2 will be overlapped in here, and when I get overlapped, So it will show like this way: 1 and 2, like this way. And again I will overlap, so this only one unit will be remain. So now from here 1 and 6 unit have been completed. You can see one unit how I can, but here you in the width position you have done 2 times movement. For you have taken 4 into 2, then 2 into 1, you have taken 4 times movement in width. Okay, so b equal to, it is 6, sorry 4, and b dash should be 1. It takes how much moves? This one moves, and this one 2 moves. So let's code. First of all, I tell you that how I will code. See over here, you are getting 8. Okay, I'm just, yeah, over here you have gotten 8 and you have to convert into 6. So I am telling that okay, first of all I will check it that is I am able to fold in the given position or not. Means 8 minus 6, the value would be 2. Means 2 panel I have to fold over here, 1 and 2. Okay, so only in one moves. So my in one moves I will count plus plus this way. Count plus plus. Okay, only one moves in a single moves. But and you have to check one also, that this is there. Now one if condition is there, that take a variable temp over here, and 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. Now check that 4 is less than or equal to 2 or not. Just temp. If it is condition is true, this condition is true, then count plus plus. If it's not true, then else, over here down one, else, then you have to do one thing, that I'm taking this up. Else count will be equal to, see carefully over here, count will be equal to temp divided by 2. Okay, the value what has been came over here, yeah, the value what they came here, temp divided by 2 plus you are getting the value, and then you have to get the remainder 2. Over here the value what the value should be, they will be counted in count, and believe me, the moves will be totally counted in this count. So let's do code for height and width. Remember, you have to do 2 times code for height first time, and in second time code. So let's do code over here. So let's start the code over here. I'm including my header file hash include stdio.h int main. I will include variables afterwards. Scanf %d %d address of h1, sorry h, only h, and address of w. Okay, and over here yeah, now another scanner for h1 and h2, %d address of h1 comma address of w1. That's it. Now if sorry h is not equal to h1 means you can say that if h wait for 1 second. Yeah, over here you can see that if h is in this example. Yeah, okay. So if h is 2 and h1 is also 2, then we have to not to do anything because it's not it's need not to be necessary. So let's move forward. If it is not equal to h1, then what can we do? As I had earlier told that you have to first take a variable time where you have to store h minus h1 value and then convert h equal to h divided by 2. Then again if condition, if temp value is smaller or equal to h, then count plus plus. I'm taking count plus plus, so I have to give here some h variables h w h1 w1 count and count 1. Why I'm taking this I will tell you afterwards. Count 1 and this temp also, temp comma temp 1. Okay, and it is the if condition. Else I tell you the condition of else also, that if it is not equal means there is not present a folding means if there is less number of for that, and if you fold the paper and it creates a more number, so you can get else condition. How you can get else condition? Else count equal to temp divided by 2 plus temp modulo 2. This will be your temp variables. Okay, and that too I have to do with w also. I had done this for h, now I am going for with also for this only. So w over here temp 1, as I have taken the variable. Over here it is not equal, it is minus w minus w1. What I have included over here? Yeah, in your temp also w minus w h minus h1. So temp w and over here temp 1, counter 1, temp 1, here also temp 1, and here count 1. Okay, now at the last what I have to do, printf %d, I have to add both, so count plus count 1, and this I have to do, and return 0. Okay, so one more, I have left one more thing, count equal to 0 and count 1 equal to 0. Let's run the program. Let's see. Compiling my program. Error occur. Scanf % address of h and w were invalid operator of binary int. %d address of, yeah, over here comma, I have forgotten comma. What here? Count count equal to temp 2 plus temp divisibility 2 means getting the remainder. Over here also plus Let's see. Yeah, zero error. So according to this, now we run the code. You can see over the here the example, h equal to 8 and w equal to 4, and h1 and h2 equal to, h1 and w1 equal to 6 and 1. So 8 and 4, 6 and 1. 8, 4, 6, 1. 2. Answer is 2. Am I correct? Let's see. 2 unit achieved for 6 into 1 page in 3-fold. There is something missed. 2 unit for in the 4 edge along with the center. So yeah, it's not 2, it's total 3. So let's take the, yeah, I have not changed here w. The answer there is 3, but the answer 3 will also come. So what the value is 8, 4, 6 and 1. You can see, yeah, it is 3. Let's try for the another question, means another output. Sample output of custom threading is 2, 3, 2, 2 and the 1. So let's see. I am running my code. Yeah, 2, 3, 2, 2. Yeah, 1 is the answer. We have gotten a correct output. So friends, if you get interested in my videos and want a more to create more videos on different topic also, so comment me that which topic I should create a video, and do subscribe to my channel, share my video to your friends, to your colleagues, and like my videos and hit the bell icon for getting a notification for an updated videos. Thank you friends.